Good morning, Gina Brandstetter here, coming to you in the morning, and I have got something to share with you today. This is the kit collection for the Nutcracker tags, and I want to show you why you need this little kit. First, let's show you what comes in the kit. All of our kit collections come with everything you need, so you can just grab it and go and create. So this particular kit makes three each of these four different Nutcracker tags, and they are so cute. And when I saw this kit, I thought, I need this, even though I do not use tags on my Christmas gifts. So why do you need this? Especially if you don't need to create tags. They are cute. And if you do create tags, they are so cute for that. This kit is just $14, so it's very well worth it. So you get everything you need. We've got the little punch out Nutcrackers. There's 4 different ones. And you see that there are also some little pop-out punch-outs that go on top of the Nutcrackers. Makes it a little bit dimensional, and some coordinating banners. We've got Christmas greetings, and it also comes in 4 different languages. And then we've also got the little twine for the tags, and then some dimensionals and some dots, so adhesive dots. So really you have got everything you need to create the tags, and the instructions are very simple, easy. See that? So now why do you need this? Let me show you. Because you can turn these tags into cards so very easy, and I'm going to show you what I did. So here is the first card that I created. And you can see what I did. I took a piece of cardstock, and for this particular card, I used the Textured Notes die. I used the largest one to cut out that background piece. And then all I did was snip the little piece off that creates the tag and made it a smooth cut. I did not let the twine go to waste. I cut it right here, and of course I used the sentiment, and I added some little flower, gold flower accents. And this color here is Poppy Parade. The next card, I went with Granny Apple Green, and I used the Everyday Arches die, and again I used the largest arch for the background. And this time I turned the tag sideways, trimmed it down. Of course I used the twine, and here is the little pop-up mustache, and the hat is popped up. So that is card number 2. Card number 3, it has another die cut background. This color is Shy Shamrock. And for this, I used the branching out dies. And again, I used the largest die for the background. And again, with the twine, he's got a little pop-up beard and a pop-up hat there. And the last card, I didn't use a die, but I used one of our new embossing folders. Peaceful Greenery 3D embossing folder. And I cut it down to 4 by 5 1/4. And it just creates a nice little background, dimensional background for that. And this color is Garden Green. So all you really need is cardstock to create a background. Trim off the little hole for the tag. And you can use everything you got in the box. And if you want to add some little gold dots, it just adds a little bit more to it. But I will be creating all of the rest of my tags into Christmas cards, and I just wanted to come on here and show you why you need to get this Nutcracker kit collection. It is so cute, and I don't think it will last long, so you need to hurry up and get that, create your Christmas cards in a jiffy, and have them done. Have a great day, everybody.